Hey carpet cleaners, John here, and in this video I want to talk about how you can beat your carpet cleaning competition by doing more volume than anybody else. If you've never heard of me before, my name is John Williams and I run a company called AGB, or Ads Grow Business. We specialize in one industry only, the carpet cleaning industry, and we specialize in one thing only, getting carpet cleaning businesses like yours booked out with jobs with our specialist digital marketing system. I'm on a personal mission to try and help as many carpet cleaning businesses as humanly possible, not just survive but thrive, whether that's through working with us one-on-one or through this YouTube channel. So let's dive right into the content. So what am I talking about when I talk about doing more volume than anybody else? There's a lot of people out there that think, to the top 1% of businesses, the people that are absolutely crushing it, that they're doing something super special or they've got some kind of secret skill or hack, so on and so forth. But the reality is they're just doing more work than anybody else. They're not doing anything particularly special. They don't necessarily have any kind of like special hack or trick or skill or whatever. They're just doing more. And so I just wanted to hop on this video very quickly and sort of say, look, if you want to beat your competition, if you want to be the best carpet cleaner in your area, just do more, okay? If you're running Facebook ads, spend more money on your ads so that more people in your area see your ads every day. If you're doing Facebook but not doing Google, do Facebook and Google, okay? If you're putting flyers through the door, put twice as many flyers through the door as your competition. If you're ringing commercial opportunities, cold calling, do 3-4 times as many cold calls as your competition. Like if you're sending out email marketing, do more email marketing, just do more. And if you do more and you're doing more than your competition, then effectively you will beat them. It's really that simple. So I just wanted to hop on this sort of quick video because there's so many people out there that think that, these guys that are crushing it, these multi-truck operations, these owner operators that are killing it and stuff like that they're doing some kind of special thing. The reality is they're just doing more of the same. They're just doing more hard work and doing more volume. And it's a very simple equation, and it's like a really simple thing to kind of get your head around. It's like, look, man, you want to get more jobs? Like double your ad spend. You're going to get double the jobs. Like if you're advertising only on one channel, let's say you're just doing Facebook, well, how about you start hitting Google? Get 10,000, 5,000 flyers printed up and get them through people's doors. Just do more. Be more places than your competition. Do more volume and you will beat them. Super easy to kind of understand, to calculate. Just do more. Be more places. Put more effort in. Do more work. And you will, I promise you, beat your competition. This is a super quick video. I just wanted to hop on and just kind of drop that sort of mindset onto this channel. And I hope a lot of people see it and they kind of get it and it kind of clicks and the penny drops. Like, yeah, actually, if I just do more and do more volume and be more places, that's just going to equal more dollars on the back end. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button so that you get notified when the next video comes out. And if you'd like to find out more about working with us on a one-on-one basis, head to the description where you'll find all the information that you need to schedule a Zoom call where we'll run you through everything and get you signed up. See you on the next video, guys. Peace.